Roman numerals.
Mother, only we have English counting? Are there any other way to write numbers?
Yes, Riya, you are right. There is one another very popular style of numbers that we use, and it's called Roman numbers.
Roman numbers?
Yes, let's learn about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 2300.